Let's see how you can easily use Instagram to collect customers' phone number and do SMS marketing as well. So here I am in a demo account. We have already connected the Instagram account right here, which is demo chatting media. So you can do that in just a few seconds by going through channels option over here. It will take you directly to settings, channels, and simply connect your Instagram account. So you will need to simply log in with the Instagram account and simply make sure all these permissions are allowed, and then simply connect it. Alright, so once it is connected, you can actually use Instagram automations. And if you are planning to use the SMS marketing, then you also need to connect a phone number as well. So you will need to connect a phone number from Twilio. So here, if you click on learn more, here we have the step-by-step guide on how to grab a phone number on Twilio and simply use the OS token and the account SID to simply connect that specific phone number on our platform in just a few seconds. So here in this demo account, we are already connected a phone number as well. So here in the SMS, we have a phone number connected as well. All right, so using these two channels as Instagram and SMS, we can simply collect a particular customer's phone number and then do the SMS marketing as well. So let's see how this actually works. So here we have created a sample flow as well. So let me go to the flow section and show you. So here it says comments, phone number capture, SMS marketing. So here you can trigger this flow through specific keywords, or you can actually ask them to comment a specific keyword on your comment, post, or reels, and from there you can actually trigger this automation as well. So here this is how it looks like. Special offer available. We would like to send you this exclusive discount coupon to your SMS, and we ask them. So if they say yes, send me, we simply ask them to provide their phone number, and we set the SMS opt-in. So that means you have the permission to send them the SMS, and then we confirm their phone number as well. Alright, so here you can actually move the SMS opt-in setup once they confirm the phone number as well. So that's a better way, right? Let me change the steps right here. So once they confirm the phone number, let's set the SMS opt-in. Alright, that means we have the permission to send them the SMSs, and here we send the confirmation message saying please check your SMS for the discount coupon. And here if you want to send the SMS, you can simply use send message block right here. So by default you will see the omni channel. It will work on all the support channels. So if you want to send a specific SMS, you can choose the SMS and simply send the SMS as well. Alright, so that's what we are doing right here. And if you want to send the email, you can also send emails right here as well, but you need to make sure you collect their email before you send the emails as well. So this is how the flow looks like. So let me make sure this is published, and the flow name is comments, phone number capture, SMS marketing. All right, so now let me go to the marketing tools, and it works the same on the Facebook as well. So here it works the same on the Facebook as well, but let's test on the Instagram. So Instagram comments automation. So let me create a new one. So here let me say IG SMS marketing. So here let me say IG SMS marketing. All right, so here you can track this on all posts, so it will simply work on the past and the future post and reels as well, so it's easier. And the private reply, you have to select the specific flow which we just created, comments, phone number, SMS marketing. All right, and the public comment reply, you can add any sort of variations. For example, send you a DM, or you can say DM sent, etc. And here you can also set up a specific keyword to trigger this automation. For example, let me say offer. So here if they comment the keyword offer, then this automation will get triggered. And here you can set specific settings as well, even delay these responses if you want as well. But let me choose immediately and click save. All right, it should be saved and this is active as well. All right, so let's test how this actually works. So here let me go back to the flow section over here and open the specific flow, and the keyword we set up is offer. And let me share my phone screen as well. So this is the account connected right there. Let me open a random post, so it will work on any reels or post as well. So let me open this one and add the keyword offer. All right, so that should actually add the comment reply and send us a DM as well. So here it add the comment reply, it says send your DM. So now if we go to the DMs, we have received the DM, special offer available, we'll also send the exclusive discount coupon. So let me say yes, send me, and then it will simply ask them to provide the phone number right. Awesome, what's my mobile number? So let me provide the phone number right here, 243-5673. All right, I have provided the phone number as well. So then it will ask them to confirm the phone number before it send the SMS as well. So it says just to make sure we send it to this particular phone number. Is this correct? So let me say yes. All right, I have confirmed the phone number as well. So now it will say we are sending the discount coupon to your SMS. All right, and now this is the SMS we have set up right here. So it says thanks for this. We should actually receive this SMS as well. So here, if you go to the unified inbox right here, you can track all these conversations happen from all the support channels, including the Instagram as well. So let me go to the inbox right here. So this is the latest chat from the Instagram. Here you see all these chats happen. So they comment on the specific post and we send the specific message over here, and they provide the phone number, confirm the phone number, and then it simply send the confirmation message, and this is the SMS we have sent as well. So here the phone number is recorded right here as well. So if I share my phone screen and show you the SMS as well, so we are actually seeing the SMS from the unified inbox, and you can track that for the customer as well. So this is the SMS I have received in the phone number. So this is the phone number connected as well. Simple as that. So they can simply reply to that SMS. You will receive it right here as well. So for example, let me say thanks or something else. So here, this is the message we received from the customer as well. So from here also, agent can simply jump in and talk with the customers through the Instagram. And if they have, since they have shared the phone number, you can actually switch the channel to SMS and send them any sort of SMS you like as well. All right. And that's a quick video on how you can actually use Instagram and SMS marketing. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.